Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the DT Ultra 3 Pro smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo of its music control function. So this smartwatch do have a dedicated feature for music function, and it has at least 3 options. We have the phone mode. With the phone mode, you can control the music on your phone. The watch mode, you can control the music that is stored in the smartwatch. And the other one, the Bluetooth headset or the TWS mode. On this video, we are going to focus on the phone mode and the watch mode. We'll try this if it works with our smartphone. Let's see if we can control the music on the phone or on the smartwatch. So if you are interested to see on how this music control function works with a DT Ultra Pro smartwatch, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the music control. So let's start first with the phone mode. Let's go to the music function, then we'll pick the phone mode, then tap on home. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. So let's use first our built-in music player, and as you can see here, it switches to the title of the song here, or the audio, Over the Horizon. So let's play. Again, it's now playing. Next. Next song. Stop. Next. Hey. Go back. Next. Next. Stop. Okay, as you can see, we can control the music on your phone with our DT Ultra 3 Pro smartwatch. So we are using here the built-in music player of Samsung. So let's try Spotify. But in our case, we'll adjust the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Home again. So let's play some of the music here from Bruno Mars. Okay, as you can see here, we have the title, we have the pause, go forward, and backward. Ariana Grande, stop. Next. 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 Stop. Okay. Next. Next. Stop. Okay, as you can see, it works with our Spotify application. Okay, we just can't increase the volume to avoid any copyright issue. Let's go with the YouTube app. Let's try this one. As you can see, the title here changes also. So I guess we can turn on the volume. Let's see.
Sometime in the second half of the 27th century BC.
Next. Next.
The man known to history as Ramesses.
Stop. Next. Nice. Okay, as you can see here, we have the title again. Pause and play option, and go forward.
1507 BC.
And stop, go backward option. Okay, so it works with our YouTube application. Next, let's try the YouTube Music. Again, we will remove the volume here. We'll lessen the volume for our phone to avoid any copyright issues. Okay, next. So it works, as you can see here. Stop. Next song. Stop. Next song. Go backward. Go backward. Stop. Play. Stop. Okay, so it also works with the YouTube application or YouTube Music application. Again, it works with our built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and the YouTube Music control function. So we are done with the phone mode. Next, let's try the music mode. So for the music mode, we will adjust the volume here. We have a database song. Let's switch first to watch mode. Then we have some songs here, Chinese songs. You can also add your own using your using your PC, okay, or laptop. We'll adjust the volume here first so we can listen to the sound. Settings. Volume vibration. Volume control. Okay. Then let's go to the music control function. Music again. Don't forget to switch it to watch mode. Then tap on home. And we have a song here. Stop. Next. Stop. Next. Stop. Next. 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 Stop. Go back. Go back. Go back. Stop. Okay. So it works with the watch mode option for the music control function. Just don't forget, if you are planning to add a song to the smartwatch, you can use the charging cable that also works as the transfer cable. So we have here the charging cable that works as a transfer cable. Plug it to your USB port type A. Then switch your smartwatch to storage, I think, okay, or transfer. So I'm going to try this when I have the time. Switch it to USB mode, mass storage. Then you can transfer the MP3 file to the smartwatch, okay, and after that you can check the newly added songs here in the smartwatch. Just go to the database. Okay, so that's it for the Bluetooth music control function of our DT Ultra 3 Pro. A very useful advanced feature for your smartwatch. Most of the smartwatch right now do have the phone mode Bluetooth music control function. Here we have a storage where you can store or add your own music, and you can play it even though it's not connected to the smartphone. So that's it for the video tutorial, video demo. If you find it useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!